When dealing with an older car, you need to be careful not to damage things. And this car is 23 years old, and I'll show you something that happens very often if you're not very careful. These plastic nuts here, they can break easy. Not the nut, but the screw itself, like this one, because they get rusty after a while. And they seize with the plastic and they break. Now I managed to free this one, no problem. But this one here is seized. Show you just a quick trick how to unseize it. Hot air gun, warm it up a little bit. Now, if I tried this earlier without warming it up, it would have broken, definitely.